Well, let's talk about our health for a minute, specifically our hearts, as February is Heart Health Month. But how much do we really know about the health of our hearts?
News 15's medical editor, Dr. Jon Liprie, is here with a quiz to put our heart health knowledge to the test.
February is Heart Disease Awareness Month, and I have a little quiz for you. So let's get started. Which one is the leading cause of death? Heart attack from coronary artery disease, stroke, or heart failure? Answer: coronary artery disease. The rate of death from a heart attack is twice that of a stroke and 4 times higher than heart failure. Now, speaking of heart blockage, true or false? Men have heart attacks earlier than women. Answer: true. The average age for males is 65.6 years old and females 72. And as we'll see in a future segment, the symptoms may be completely different between the two. True or false? More people are dying from coronary artery disease. Answer: false. Over the past 10 years, the rate has actually decreased 15%. We're doing much better with the awareness and treatment of common risk factors like high blood pressure and diabetes. However, the biggest contributor, a marked decrease in smoking. Okay, so next question. In the last 20 years, the rate of smoking has actually decreased 5, 10, or 15%. Answer: 10%. In 2004, about 23% of the U.S. smoked compared to about 13% now. And more importantly, they're smoking 30% less per day. Also, secondhand smoke is still a big risk factor, increasing the chance of heart disease and stroke 23%. Okay, let's end with a fun question. True or false? More people know their best friend's birth date than their own risk factors for heart disease. Sadly, this is true. In a recent survey, 58% knew their friend's birth date, but fell way behind in knowing their risk factors. So stay with us as we talk about this and more for Heart Disease Awareness Month. Wishing you better health, Dr. Jon Liprie, News 15.